Hey guys, welcome back to the series of Node.js tutorial. Today we will talk about one of the utility module which is helpful in working with paths and files. Here we will look into the path module, which is a built-in core module of Node.js. So let's get started. To use path module in our application, first we need to include path module. Here I am using built-in require function to include path module. So require function will return path module. Now, if we want to get detail of a given path, then we have to use parse function. Here I am using path.parse to get details of a given path. Remember, path.parse takes one string argument. Here I am using underscore underscore file name, which is a global object and represents the file name of the code being executed. And it returns an object. So I'm storing it in a variable named as path object. Let's print the output. Here you can see it returns a path object which has 5 properties named as root, dir, base, ext, and name. The directory represents the directory of the given file path. Base is the file name, ext represents the extension of the file, and name represents the file name without extension. Now let's try a different file. Let's create a file in /temp directory. And I'm creating a file in /temp directory named as foo.txt. Now let's get detail of foo.txt. /temp/foo.txt. Let's save and run the application again. Here you can see the directory is /temp and base is foo.txt and extension is txt and file name is foo. So that's the end of this video. In next video we will talk about another built-in module of Node.js. Thanks for watching.